Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use a template on Deepbrain AI. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the template section. And after going to the template section, as you can see, you are going to get a lot of templates here. Now you have to choose that which type of template you want. For example, I'm going to use this one. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, if you want to check out the preview, you can also do that. So let's see the preview of this. So as you can see, this is the template. Now simply what we have to do, if you want to use this template, then simply you have to click on the create AI video, and after clicking on the create AI video, you will be redirected to the editing mode. Now simply what we need to do, simply we have to provide a script here. So as you can see, these are the script written here. Now you have to change this according to your need, and after that, as you can see, these all things are provided here. And after doing these all things in the same way, you just need to hit the listen. If you want to check out the preview, you have to click on the preview. If you want to export this video, then you have to hit the export this video, and the video will be exported. If you want to edit these text, you can also do that. So as you can see, these all editing options are provided here. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.